It is time to embrace the energy of the trees, the beautiful vibration that flows off them like the air that we breathe. They are creator in very pure form, for they do not have to worry, they do not have to want or desire anything more but the rain on their back and the sun on their face. I would like you to shut your eyes gently. If you cannot be at a forest or in nature, I want you to take yourself to a place that is filled with trees and birdsong. You can share mine. And I want you to see your body like rippling waves of water expanding outwards. So that you are blending with the trees and the grass and the earth beneath your feet. Pull in the blue of the sky as you expand your soul self out past the boundaries of your auric egg. Wider and wider, only taking up that which is of nature, and feel the cells of your body relax. Going into a state of connection as a little yellow butterfly flies around past your face and off to sit on a purple flower. Feel the breeze caressing your skin. And rest in the pure light of nature. I am Shivana and will bring to you each day a moment of peace. Join me.